Let's cut through the noise. Today, we're diving into ambient intelligence for CRM, a concept that's often misunderstood and misused in the real world. It's not about having the latest AI tool or flaunting cutting edge tech. It's about building an infrastructure that fundamentally changes how your business operates. Imagine a CRM that doesn't just store data, but actively reduces response times by 50%. That's not a luxury, it's a competitive necessity. Yet, most businesses treat AI like a shiny toy rather than a structural element. They implement it haphazardly, hoping it will solve problems without understanding the underlying systems. Ambient intelligence isn't about convenience, it's about leverage. It's about creating systems that remove human dependency, freeing up cognitive load so your team can focus on strategic decisions rather than firefighting. The reality is, many operators are overwhelmed not because they're lacking intelligence or effort, but because they're holding too much in their heads that should live in systems. When AI is used correctly, it acts as decision architecture, not just software. It anticipates needs, provides proactive insights, and allows you to act before issues become crises. Let's get something straight. Automation isn't a magic wand, it's leverage, a force multiplier when integrated correctly. But here's where most businesses falter: they fail to sequence and integrate AI effectively. They jump in without a clear roadmap, leading to fragmented systems that only add to the chaos. Think of AI as part of your business's nervous system. It should be seamlessly integrated with every component working in harmony. When it isn't, you're left with a Frankenstein's monster of tools that don't communicate, leading to decision fatigue and operational bottlenecks. Consider real world examples. Companies that have successfully implemented ambient intelligence in their CRMs aren't just reacting faster, they're predicting customer needs, reducing churn, and increasing lead gen efficiency. They're not just surviving, they're thriving. On the flip side, I've seen businesses where AI implementation has failed spectacularly. Why? Because they treated it as a plug and play solution rather than a strategic overhaul. They ignored the sequence, neglected the integration, and underestimated the failure modes. The result was a system that was more of a hindrance than a help. So, what's the takeaway here? Stop thinking of AI as a tool and start thinking of it as infrastructure. Focus on building systems that work under pressure, systems that don't crumble when the stakes are high. If you ignore this, if you continue to operate with fragmented, reactive systems, you'll find yourself stuck in a cycle of constant firefighting, unable to scale effectively. The uncomfortable truth is, if you don't address this now, a year from today, your business will be the same, just with more stress and less clarity. But if you rethink your approach, if you see AI as the backbone of your operations, you can transform your business from the inside out. This isn't about keeping up with trends. It's about survival and growth. It's time to recalibrate, to strip away the tool obsession and focus on what truly matters: systems that empower, not encumber,